It's crazy how you go from standing out to outstanding. King shit, 2 chicks on side of the couch fanning. Every day vacay, doing it without planning. Money on deck like the paper route tanning. Call me Martin Luther, how that ready came out. Would say I'm going in, but I never came out. I'm the last of the dope, dealing with the same drought. Blowing hydro strong, bring them hurricanes out. Coolin', I'm so gnarly, refuse to be nobody. Super bad, plus I got booze for the whole party. I despise you, big bad wolf, should I remind you? Leave a pig cold, I give a nigga the swine flu. Little bit of everything in one, Mr. Gumbo. 7 foot of weight class, 5 foot some no. Using all my minutes, that's what money is to combo. Now with the green leaf combo, I'm Rondo. No competition, you step it up or you miss out and get left behind like Chris Paul with the kick out. While I pose, my nigga, you need this. Nigga sneak me on the track right after they sneak this. I am not familiar with the things that they complain about. Hard virus, they ain't got the software to take me out. Y'all Q-tips, general on wax. 100 proof, salute the general's back.
Okay, first name Justin, last name Credible. My profession, I do it so professional. As you seeing, I'm eating, thinking my money's edible. I let them hoes in, they go around like the letter O. Blowing medical, that loud. Stepping shows, when I step in shows, they all freeze. Eskimo, 1 point like a decimal. With a giant Hancock shot, dot saying line where it's legible. Bitch, I'm going in, but I'm a standouter. Yo, bitch, I'm going in while you stand outer. No Dwayne, but the Johnson I bring. So when she get the rocket, it's not in the ring. See a nigga self-made, no MMG. Walk this way, but run it like DMC. Till I'm Wheezy, CMB. I pop tags off and take L's like I'm at a DMV. By L's mean blunts. Do I look like I'm losing? I'm winning like 5 seconds left. Mike shoot sit. Haters, I'm too even high to hear what you be saying. Blowing lemon kush, yellow hairs, call it Super Saiyan. Who be saying that they the hardest? Well, pardon. My back thick and it's crack, but that's garbage. Got your bitch up in the room and ain't Marvin. Find me, I be everywhere like
D-boys, get the
Marcus.
D-weight up as I'm crowded around heat. Damn, feel like I took my talents to South Beach. Significantly tricking all your chicks, get spoiled. And you quitting on your lemon as your whip drips. Or you mad cause that gig didn't employ you? I got blue balls, only cause her lipstick's royal. Man whore's what I stand for to that F4A as I put her in her place. Landlord, dance floor, smack her on her ass till my hands sore. I be dropping chips, that's what she wanna connect for. Let's preach, I'm a rhyming reverend. And boy, your time's up like a clock in heaven. Everything's fake about you, from your rhymes, your necklace. You couldn't see real in a box at breakfast. I'm a dick, I'm just being honest. I might get cut by Lorena Bobbitt. Don't get the bully to start. My hoodie is dark, fully a spark. Pull him apart, you Nickelodeon. Nothing like a crook in the heart. I mean cat dog, boy, you just a pussy that barks. These other rappers just do not compare. I'm who they all dread like Flocka's hair. And if it's war I declare, then I'm clutching 2 gaps. So snap and I'ma snap back like your adjustable cap.
When it come to presents of Santa Claus in this bitch, your presents don't mean shit. You December 26th. Tell them rappers they can get that dope flow for the low. I got the hook up like Hicks. They paying for their funeral, I kill them on they shit. Dog in the game, I'm like a great pit with a blue nose. What I say goes, my foot down sumos. Closet full of new clothes, bed full of new hoes. Bad till like Tony's front room shoe stove. Nigga still pussy pink like Nouveau. I don't want you gonorrhea, your girl pussy kudo. I don't have better culo, I don't have some fire. It was fresh flames, nigga new stove. Switch it up for the dollars, I double dutch, hopping over roast for racks. But cause of these bucks, y'all ain't got no muscle, Hulk Hogan back. Fuck the Rusky on the map until they let my team in. BLG the Mafia, all the phones ping in. Ted DiBiase. So if they sleep on nuts, that mean $8 million dream in. Get brain like a head hose, done like hell. Pockets fat like Keenan. From the hood to the birds, I got muscle like He-Man. Ballin', Jeff Hornacek for the 3-man. Like I'm looking through a scope when I'm shooting. See through the bullshit, you looking translucent. Skinny jean rappers looking produce fruity. Little bitty ass jeans, lose your job, Charlie Sheen.